welcome to week 7, lesson 1. Today we are looking at set notation. The aim of today's lesson, basically by the end of it, is that you should just be able to start recognising the symbols and notation that you're going to see in probability. So, what we're going to do now, just in interest of keeping it short, I'm going to go through the symbols quickly and just say what they mean, rather than giving examples and everything to go with it. So our first one is this funny symbol here, and it is commonly used to show sample space. So you'll tend to see that when they go, here's our sample space, we'll put that out front, equals sample space. We will then see this one here, which is called the subset. You'll see one like this. The letter may change, but you'll always have that there. And this means complement. We then have this, it looks like an E, not quite. This means element, element of. So you'll often see like a number is an element of set A. This one here means null or empty set. Basically means it doesn't exist, dudes. Okay, then we've got another one here, which is N of A. So the letter in the brackets may change as well. So it's the cardinal number. And what this is asking is just how many elements are in there. So, in set A, how many numbers are there? That's basically what it's wanting. Got this guy, which is called the intersection. And it means and. So if you see like A, B, it means A and B. Then we got the union, which is like it looks like a U, so that's a good way to remember it. And it means or. So when you see A union B, it means A or B. So those are the symbols we're going to be looking at and seeing a lot in set notation. So what I'm going to do is, for this lesson, I've split it into 2 parts. The first part, we're just going to do focusing on looking at these, identifying them, using them. So for our example to go for this one, I've got this. So we've got, the example is let A and B be the following sets. So set A is 1, 2, 3, 8, 10 and 12. Set B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. Okay, so it says list the sample space. I've already put the symbol there for sample space. So then we'll do curly bracket, and we're just going to list all of these. If there's double ups, you don't list them. So we're going to go have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. So double check you've got them all, cross them off if you need to. Okay, so find, so A and B. So when it wants A and B, just write, okay, what's in both A and B? So in A and B is 2, 3, and 10. Okay? Then we've got our next one is A or B. So A or B means it can be in both A or B. So pretty much it's the sample space in this case, because we haven't been told any other numbers. So we'll write our sample space. So if we get this one, and let's say we had set C, which was, let's put, what are we missing? We've got 7, we'll put a 3 in there again because we can, 11 and 9. Okay, so in the thing where it says A or B, we would only include those that are in A and B. in those sets. We would only include 3 because that's in but one of them. Otherwise, we would not put 7, 11, and 9 in there. So it says here the complement of A. So anything that's not in A, basically. So that will be, what's in A? So anything we've got circled. So we'll go 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if we were to include C, that, you know, our set C, we'd also put 7, 11, and 9 in there. But we're not. All right, so we're looking now for things that are only in B, which is ironically the same as complement of A. So it's just 4, 5, 6. Okay, and so then this one here is the cardinal number. So we're wanting to know the number of elements within A. Set A. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 there. So to go with that, the only ones that I haven't really put in this example that could be there is if we said, we could say 2 is an element of A, so it's a number that is in A, is one we could do. If we were to say, you know, where's our 7, we would say it's a null set because it's not there. And when we're saying subset, like if we were to say A is a subset of the sample space. So basically you draw A and then put the sample space with that in between. And that is it for this video.